Hi guys, we're here at the Cosmopolitan. What a awesome room. This couch is amazing, right? With the big size TV.
Got your safe, ironing board. The rest of the closet.
Nice.
Wait till you see that bathtub.
Holy moly.
Huge shower. Bathtub overlooking, I'm not sure what yet.
It doesn't look very nice, but it's okay. Check out that bathtub. Double sinks.
What you would expect a normal separate toilet area.
It's pretty big.
And another TV.
That looks like a really comfy bed.
Now look at it, I can talk to you through here.
That's nice. I can jump in the shower this way.
The balcony with a chair, sofa. It's not that big.
No, it's nice. So we're at the Cosmopolitan. It is so nice, you guys. If you want to just relax and chill, this is our patio.
Lights for when you want to read.
Oh, that's awesome. I love little knickknacks like that.
It's a pretty nice room.
I like it.
Yeah.
I was thinking the bathroom was really small, right? But it's
Yeah,
not.
they're a fully stocked mini bar, but it also has an area below where you can store some.
I don't
food
think
or
so,
drinks.
but
Yeah, you could put.
check out all the pictures.
The decor is interesting.
But I want to sit down. Ah. Oh, that is nice and comfortable. Awesome sauce, you guys. We're at the Boulevard pool. This is the Overlook Grill. We have cabanas upstairs. Hi, how you doing? Come on, kick back and watch some sports. But the best part of all, look what they have here. Nice.
And looks like you probably should use your room key. We'll have to inquire about that.
Restrooms? Check out the strip, you guys. Quite a bit of people here. I know. This is how you rent the lockers, right over here, and you pay with credit card.
Also has phone chargers,
Oh, that's amazing.
or possibly laptop, I'm not sure.
It's this amazing view. They have chairs in the water. You have a picturesque view of Planet Hollywood, Paris, Cromwell, and here's the Boulevard Center Bar. Ah, by the way, beers are $13 a bottle. But hey, you are in Vegas. So we're in Cosmopolitan, and look what we're doing at the pool. Nice.
looks like it's available 24 hours, but there is a daily access fee of $30, which if you use your key to get in here, you're obligating yourself to a $30 a day. Wow, you better work out really hard for $30 a day.
It's a pretty nice room, but I'll pass.